Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review on like a DVD, Blu-ray and 4K Ultra HD unboxing on M3GAN 2.0, and so let's get into this review. So first I'm going to unbox it on DVD, and yeah, it's one of the best films I've ever seen of the year, and it's from Blumhouse and Atomic Monster, and unrated edition includes theatrical version, and also this film stars Jenna Davis, and as you can see here, it's a 15, and Universal Pictures stopped showing the Ireland certificate on the label for their DVDs as well. So yep, as you can see, it's a 15. There's the front, spine, released by Universal Pictures. In the back, there's the pictures, there's the plot of the film, there are the bonus features, and there are the credits for the movie. Running time, it's on for like 1 hour and 55 minutes, and it's a 15 for strong violence, injury detail, suitable only for persons of 15 years and over, not to be supplied to any person below that age. And here's the disc. And then we have it on Blu-ray now. And as you can see, it's a 15. It's the front, spine, and the back. It's a 15 for strong violence, injury detail, suitable only for persons of 15 years and over, not to be supplied to any person below that age. And here's the disc. And then now we have it on 4K Ultra HD. And yep, and it's a 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray. It's a 15. It's the front, spine, and the back. It's a 15 for strong violence, injury detail, suitable only for persons of 15 years and over, not to be supplied to any person below that age. There's the 4K. I love the design from how M3GAN looks on like her cat suit she has on, like in the film. And here is the Blu-ray. And thanks for watching, everyone. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to. And until next time, bye-bye.